Facebook retargeting tips to skyrocket your ROAS, part 2. Contextual creativity. Now we established this in our last part that you can't be intrusive and directly state in your ad copy that you visited my website and now I'm targeting you all over the internet. But you can obviously use that piece of information and pair it with psychology to persuade them to purchase the product. Now, how would you do so? When you are using catalog ads, it is already taken care of. How? I'm glad you asked. If a person visits the jewelry website and goes to the pendant section, then he or she will be targeted with a variety of pendants or another product that is frequently bought together with the same. Facebook is gonna automatically take care of the same. But you can also manage things manually and force Facebook ads to show those people ads exclusively of earrings if you get better results this way. Now let's take another example, and this time in the travel industry. A person visits the website and spends 4 minutes on the Australia travel package page. Now you know they are interested to go to Australia. So you can use that piece of information and make a persuasive and effective ad around Australia. Try highlighting the experience they are gonna get if they choose you by showing your amenities, properties, etc. and basically giving them an overview of the experience. Don't miss out on more tips like this. Give me a follow and I promise it's insightful and not intrusive.